What you cooking?
Hamburger helper.
What kind?
Cheeseburger macaroni.
Can you tell me how you made it?
Sure. I had about 1 pound ground beef. I seasoned it. I put vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, some seasoning salt in there. I let it marinate for a little while. Then I put it into a skillet. I put it on medium heat, so like 5. And I chopped it up, made sure that it got brown and cooked right.
Do you know how long?
It varies depending on your oven, but you know, just as long as it takes to make sure that all the meat is brown and not any pink. There's gonna be some liquid in there. You're gonna want to drain it. Using
A strainer.
Like this. Then after you strain all the liquid out, put it back into your skillet. And then you need 1 cup of hot water.
1 cup?
What I did...
Does it have to be 1 cup of hot water?
Yes, it has to be hot because you're going to put in the sauce package and it's dry, so you want the hot water to help dissolve it. And what I would recommend to do is to have it already prepared. So I already measured 1 cup of water into a bowl, and I put it in the microwave to make sure it was hot. And then you're gonna need 2 cups of milk, and I measured 2 cups of milk into a cup. So once I had the meat drained and I put it back on the skillet, I took the sauce packet that comes with it, and I opened it, I poured it all over, and then I took the bowl of hot water, put it in there, and I stirred it up.
Stirred. With something like this. Sorry.
Anyways, and then I opened the macaroni and poured those in with what? No, I'm busy. With 2 cups of milk. And stirred it all up, and then covered it up, and then you want to lower it, just so that it's kind of bubbling but not full boil. And then every once in a while, just open it up and stir it so that it doesn't stick.
That looks yummy.
You want to make sure it
Didn't stick to the pan.
Yeah. Just stir it around. The box says it will take about 12 minutes or so. Again, it all depends on everyone's individual oven. You just want to check to see if the noodles are tender or not.
And you may attempt to pour more milk.
Yeah, I ended up putting a little bit more milk in my noodles are starting to get a little bit tender, so I just want to keep it covered, and the moisture will just, make sure that it cooks even. And once your noodles are pretty tender, then you're good to go. You just have to serve it up, and then you can have it with garlic bread if you like, or
Hamburgers. Got a hamburger helper, so you might as well put a hamburger.
Maybe you want to.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Okay. That's all for today. And this is my mom, Jeanette. Okay. Bye, folks. Puck, thumbs up. Now you got good luck. See ya.